Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install Audacity on Windows 10. Okay, so what is Audacity? Audacity is an open source and free digital audio editor in recording application software. Okay, so in order to download and install Audacity, you just need to go to this website audacityteam.org. I will place this link in the video description. You can check it out. Okay, so let me copy this, and you need to open your web browser and go to address bar, and you need to type audacityteam.org. okay, and hit enter on the keyboard. And you can see guys, we are on this Audacity, this website. Okay, and guys, you can also open this website by another method. Just go to google.com and just type Audacity and do a search for this. Okay, and here we have the Audacity. Okay, free open source cross-platform audio software, this link. And here we have the audacityteam.org. okay, this website. So just click on this link and we are on this page. Okay, audacityteam.org, this website. And here you can see we have information like free open source cross-platform audio software. Okay, and Audacity is an easy to use multi-track audio editor and recorder for Windows, Mac, Linux and other operating systems. Okay, so if I scroll down, you can see here we have a lot of features: recording, export, import, sound quality, plugins, editing, effects, accessibility, analysis. And also if I click on this see feature details, and you can see so many features, you can take a look at it. Okay, so let me go to the main page, and here we have the download this link. Okay, at the top, click on this download link, and here we have this Audacity for Windows, Audacity for Mac, Audacity for Linux. Okay, so we want to install it for Windows 10, so here we have our Windows 10. Okay, so just click on this Audacity for Windows, and here we have the recommended downloads, latest version of Audacity. Okay, and here we have the Audacity this installer and Audacity this zip file. Okay, so just click on this installer. It's 22.21 megabytes. Okay, click on this and we are on this page. Okay, so use cookies. Okay, got it. Okay guys, so here we have the download Audacity Windows installer. Click on this link and just select the folder where you want to download this Audacity, this installer, this exe file. I want to download it on my desktop, so let me select that and then click on this save button. At the bottom left of my browser, you can see it's downloading. Okay, the file. So you can see guys, the file is now downloaded. So let me go to the place where I downloaded it. I downloaded it on my desktop, so let me go to the desktop. Okay, so here we have our Audacity this installer file, the exe. Okay, so in order to run the setup file, you just need to double click on this. And here we have the select setup language. You can just click over here and select the language that you like. I like this English one, and then click on this OK button. And here we have the wizard. Okay, welcome to the Audacity setup wizard. Click on the next. Read the license if you are interested. Okay, and just click on this next button after that. And here we have the folder where it will be installed. Okay, like C program files, x86 Audacity. Okay, so after that, just click on this next button, and here we have the create a desktop shortcut. If you don't have this, just create a desktop shortcut and then click on this next button. Click on this install button. So you can see it's installing, so it can take some time. Let's wait. Here we have the shortcut, and okay, just click on this. You can see, please read the following information before continuing. If you are interested, just read that. Okay, and after that, just click on this next button, and here we have the launch Audacity. So just click on this finish. Okay, so it's launching, and here we have the pop-up window. Welcome to Audacity. So this is the latest version right now, Audacity 2.3.1. How to get help. Okay, so these are our support methods, like quick help, manual. You can view online over here by clicking on this link. Forum, also they have this forum. If you suppose, let me click on this. So it's opening. Here we have their forum. You can ask questions and learn more about this Audacity software. Okay, so let me minimize this, and also they have this visit our wiki for tips and tricks, extra tutorials, and effects plugins. So if I click on this wiki, you can see this is the wiki page of Audacity. So many options you can here they have the manuals, help, resources, versions. Okay, so you can take a look at them. And also they have this option, don't show this again at startup. So if you like, you can check that and it will not be showed next time. Okay, so I like that, so I am unchecking that, and then just click on this OK button. Okay, and we now have this Audacity software installed on Windows 10. So let me close this, and also we can open this Audacity software by using this shortcut. Double click on that. Here we have again this welcome to Audacity, this window. So let me click on the OK, and it's now opened. And also you can open by going to this search box, click on this and type Audacity. Okay, and here we have the desktop app. Click on this to open it. It's now opened. Okay guys, so in this way you can download and install Audacity on Windows 10 and start editing your audio and recording. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.